never been to anything like this before. I feel like I'm
East
getting
and
so
west, racking up on my breath. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should arrest her. Hey.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm currently in London. We're gonna be traveling alone, which I haven't done in a while, but we're gonna be doing it because the other day on Instagram I was just scrolling, minding my own damn business, doom scrolling on the toilet, and then I saw that Sabrina Carpenter, Biba Doobie, and Claire were performing on the same day in London, and I immediately booked my flights, okay? And the thing is, that was very brave of me because I have not had very great experiences in London before. It has been like 4 years since a girl's been back because tell me why, when I came to London, they ended up detaining me at the airport, interrogating me, searching me, taking my mugshot, putting me in a foster home, and detaining me for 3 days. Like, traumatized to say the least, okay? Anyways, I'm in front of my hotel right now. That's it, right over there. Let's head inside. Oh my god, that shot was so crooked. I'm confused. It says room 810, but there's no 8. Do you know room 810?
It's the basement.
Basement?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Do you see how small this room is? There's some nice white noise. You know. I actually don't have any eyelash glue right now and I need to go buy some. The last time I saw Sabrina Carpenter live, I was up and down, jumping, screaming. I'm so excited. First person that I've interacted with in London that wasn't the hotel. She's like, I watch your vlogs. The girl at Boots watches my vlogs. Wait, there's nothing in this. Someone shoplifted this bitch. Let me go tell this girl. All right, let's cook these lashes up. I'm struggling, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of realizing right now how crazy it is of me to wear an American flag because I know that the UK people, Europeans, I don't think they're fucking with the US. I don't think the US is fucking with the US. As a Canadian, you go places and then people ask you like, oh, are you American? And you be like, oh no, I'm Canadian. And then they're like automatically, their mood just changes. Like they're smiling, they're so welcoming. They're like, oh, thank God, like you're not American. I also just got a croissant. Nice. It just started raining, but we're inside. Oh my gosh, I spot it. I spot her. I love this song. The pink guitar, the pink guitar.
This is by far the biggest show I've ever played, so thank you so much for being here.
Concert over. I got me an iced matcha latte. Cute, cold, classic, nothing special. But I just saw these and I was like, damn, they look so good. I've never been tempted to get a chocolate chip cookie at a cafe before, but this one just looked, why am I holding it like this? Something to take the edge off. It's good. A little bit dry, chewy at the same time. It's good. I haven't even told you what we're gonna do today. I've been recommended to go to Shoreditch. I asked Madeline, if you guys don't know Madeline RG, I love her podcast. She said Shoreditch is her favorite area and she gave me a bunch of recommendations, and then I asked another friend and they also said a couple of things in Shoreditch.
There's like this flower market with the farmers market. I don't know, but I love me a market.
I just missed it. Okay, I just arrived here at the flower market, and as I was walking, I've seen so many people just walking with their flowers and plants. This smells amazing. Ugh, I wish you could smell this right now. They have everything: fennel, mint, pineapple mint, Vietnamese coriander. Oh my gosh, my mom would eat this up right now. These are so beautiful. Oh, this store is poppin'. Noted. Everyone loves good glassware. The cutest bowl I've ever seen. I think traveling and visiting markets is like definitely one of my favorite things to do. I mean, just even living in New York and going to the market every single week is the highlight of my week. I love the colors. I love how every single shop has a different color that it's painted. It just makes it feel so alive. I keep thinking about that bowl that I showed you. My friend Carla is moving to New York, so I'm gonna get her the bowl as a housewarming gift because she needs the bowl. So we're back. This blue mixed with this yellow. I'm like, I need to make a hoodie like this because I'm obsessed with these colors. I'm gonna get this one because I feel like I'm gonna have fun cooking with her, sauteing with her. Something that I'm noticing here is that all of the pastries are just like out. There's no glass around them. There's no barrier. I'm like, that would never happen in America. In America, they have the glass barrier and they still need to feel the need to be like, oh, please do not reach over and touch. Outside, two guys started standing and talking to me, and I noticed immediately I started closing myself off. You know what I mean? Like, you're just energy and like the way you're responding is like closed off. But I just tried to open myself and like tell myself like you're safe, like nothing's gonna happen. I feel like it's because I haven't traveled alone in a long time, so I'm just like not used to people talking to me. Even in New York and just my general life, I don't open myself up to people, and that's what I'm trying to do more. Anyways, there's a beautiful jazz happening.
Perfect place to vlog. The perfect place to vlog.
It's the perfect place to vlog. I guess. Let's go check out the live jazz. I just left the jazz bar. The weather with like the rain and the sun is so beautiful because the sun feels so warm on me right now. But then the rain just makes everything look so bright and fresh. So many vintage stores. I'm excited to continue to walk down here and to go into some shops. This is officially made me really like London. Can you tell that I'm enjoying myself right now? Look at all these cameras. Wow, there's so many cameras. Was anyone else obsessed with squishies? Oh, this is not a squishy. This is a new and improved version of a squishy. It's like gel, but I was obsessed with squishies when I was younger. I just want to come in here. I've gotten a lot of questions on how I travel alone. I'm actually going to give you game and tell you my real thoughts, even though this is sponsored. This is sponsored by Anthropic, the team behind Claude. I legit used it for this trip. I put in the list of all the places I wanted to go, all those suggestions that I had from friends, and I basically told it, can you find me the most efficient way to do all these activities? And it basically planned out for me like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this is what you're gonna do. It was able to figure out like what areas each spot that people were suggesting was in, and then group it all so that I wasn't running around like a, I don't know what's it called, something with your head cut off. So that was really helpful because usually that would take me a long time beforehand. And I know there's a lot of different AI softwares out there, but the one thing that makes Claude really stand out is its super intelligence kind of research feature. I asked it like, I'm trying to do food content, but I don't know the actual strategy behind it. This is stuff that I usually had to research on my own. It would take me hours and hours and hours, and this can do it for you in minutes. But the thing is, it's not in seconds, it's in minutes, because it's actually searching, and you can walk away from the app or the desktop and it will tell you like, okay, we'll notify you when this is done. It will do its research, and then maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes later, you have a PDF document with everything so well researched. When it gives me the PDFs, I swear I print these out, sit down and read them and highlight them like I'm trying to learn from this. I'm trying to get game from this, and I'm not joking. Try it out yourself. You can use the link down below to try Claude for free. Oh my gosh, I've never been to anything like this before. I feel like I'm getting the real UK experience. This is my first time having Nigerian food. We have beef with some rice, some onion, some plantain. Yeah, the flavor is like smoky, but like spicy, but not actually spicy. It's very interesting. I've never had anything like this. Got some sushi. I have walked 16,000 steps today. I got some miso soup, some little avocado sushi, okay, and then also got some vegetable. This looks so dry. This was like one of the only spots serving food at this time. Something that my friend faces, the friend who took me out today, who I've hung out with a billion trillion times. He's an incredible videographer. He like shoots a lot of the VHS and stuff, and we've just known each other for so long, for context, but he said something along the lines of like, it's a fake late night spot where it seems like everything's open late, but it's actually not. And I'm like, I see what you're saying. Notting Hill movie. I walked past the bookstore. I'm so excited to watch.
We've got a whole range of things, lots of mid-century furniture, vintage archive pieces, and then out in the back we've got a apothecary, botanical, adaptogenic tea garden.
Okay, thank you so much.
No worries.
Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So cute.
Oh my god, it's stunning.
It's very cute.
It's amazing.
That girl working at that store was so cute. She said that she does tea and apothecary and everything. She's very sweet, and she was saying that the tea, it represents like alchemy or alchemy. She said alchemy. I'm like, oh wait. But she complimented my sweatsuit, and that's how we started talking. But so sweet. What a good interaction. Oh, this is my type of store. Knobs. Girl, what? Holy fuck, $65. I'm like, is this a bookshop anymore? I don't think so. I was expecting a bookshop. This store is so cute. I'm a sucker for grocery stores. I'm like, what? The packaging, pristine. All of a sudden now I want to buy eggs. Like, how did you just market me eggs so well? I think I just found the most beautiful dress ever. I walked into Reformation, not thinking anything of it. I just know I like my heels from there. This girl's talking about this dress, and I look at it and I'm like, it's a yellow dress. I fucking hate myself in yellow. But this is like this pale yellow color, so I'm like, try it on. But I'm like, it looks like it would give a box. Oh gosh, this dress, I need this dress. This one is just stunning as well. I think I need these jeans. Oh my god, stop. I did not mean to come in here to try this many things on. That dress. Just bought the most beautiful dress I've ever seen in my life. And I bought the jeans. Oh no, it was a very fat purchase. Hello, hello, hello. Time is currently 9:55 a.m. I'm actually headed over to get a massage because girl, why is that room so cramped and tiny? We are gonna go get a massage, and I'm just like, I should have just got a regular room from the start. I don't know why I did that to myself. Yesterday, I'm out here trying to upload this YouTube video, but I'm like cramped in this room. Like when you're running electronics, it gets hot and sweaty. But I pulled it together and I was like, girl, it does not matter where you are. You can upload a YouTube video. I was literally walking past the lobby yesterday and I heard this guy being like, how do you expect me to stay in there? Like, it's a jail cell. It's literally like a prison cell. I was like, LOL. That was my terrible attempt at an accent. Okay, let's go try to find this massage place. Okay, just got the massage. I'm about to meet up with Indre, which I haven't seen her in like over a year. Gotta eat at this breakfast spot. Girl breakfast. Girl breakfast. Got this Greek breakfast. She looks so yummy, so delicious. We're currently chatting about just, you know, being girl business owners. Girl boss chats. Just girl boss chats. You know, I've been told that many times that I sound like I'm from Essex.
Yeah, do you watch Love Island?
No, I don't watch any Love Island.
I
That's
watch
interesting.
so much Love Island.
Okay, I'm currently in the new Airbnb that I'm staying at. This is the living room. It has like a bed here, a kitchen, cute little books. There's like a little table. The bathroom is massive. And then this is the bedroom. I'm like, I should have just been staying here all along. I feel so refreshed being in here. Walking through Shoreditch. I was here the other day, but I wanted to come back today and do some shopping. Why does London have such good Y2K thrift stores? And I don't really like to thrift shop that much in New York because I feel like their selection isn't as good and everything's priced a little bit higher, but maybe it's because there's not as many stores. I'm curious to people that maybe live in New York or live in London who have traveled to both, like what you guys think. I really want to come back to London just to do a shopping trip. Could I do a cheeseburger and then also the fries, please? So I got a cheeseburger. It looks like it's like a smash burger or something. It's got pickles, mustard, ketchup. Looks like this. It looks amazing. The fries apparently are double fried. That's really good. This burger looks great. It's pretty good. The bread is good. Everything's great. I would just say that there's not very much meat. Like, you can't taste the burger. Oh, there's onions as well. It's a solid cheeseburger. Worldwide, this is better than average. This burger is better than any of the other food I had in London. And this fry, incredible. Good morning. It is the last day here in London. Time is 8 o'clock and I am speed walking to this breakfast spot. My friend said that it was the best breakfast. 4.8 stars. Opens at 8 a.m. and I'm like, I need to make sure I make it here at 8 a.m. Went the wrong way. Went the wrong way. Oh, this alley is so cute. My phone is also so dirty. What is bubble and squeak? I've been here for 5 days now, and it was supposed to only be a 4-day trip, but I just felt like leaving yesterday would have been too chaotic because there's still some things that I wanted to see. But overall, I like London now. Like, I feel like I've been here twice before this, and I didn't really enjoy it, but I also was staying more in central London, like Soho kind of area. The time before that, I remember I just left and I didn't love it. This time I was able to explore some different areas. I'm definitely a traveler that likes more calm areas. I'm not really like a city gal. Although I live in New York, I've never really enjoyed like the Midtown kind of area. I really enjoy this area here. My friend said, correct me if she is incorrect, please. My friend said that this is kind of more like the Brooklyn of London, if there was an equivalent, like the different areas. Had a good experience. Here we have the English breakfast. This has the biggest portions I've seen. I'm so excited. Definitely the best breakfast I've had here. I feel like the beans taste different than the other places that I've had. But also the bacon's really good. Mushrooms are fat. The beans are good, you know? They're not like watery beans. If you stayed this long, please comment Essex, babe. I have been told by lots of Brits that my British accent sounds like I'm from Essex and it's really good. So maybe if we get enough comments, I will torture you with a video called Speaking in a British Accent for 24 hours. Love you. Where should I visit next?